everyone, friends, Caller Weller here. Today I'll show you how to fix a non-working geode in Geometry Dash. Alright, so first we go into Steam, Library. Here we need Geometry Dash. Right-click on it, then Properties. Then Installed Files. Go into these files, into the folder, And here we need to delete Geode. Click Geode Uninstaller exe, click OK, click Next, and click Uninstall. Click Next and finish. After that, open any browser. Type in Geode here. Go to the first site, click Download for Windows. Open the installer. Click Next. Click Next. Select the game folder here. Mine found it automatically. Click Install. Then a window will pop up. Click Yes. And wait for the process to complete. There. And after it's done, your problem should be fixed. The thing is, Geode and Geometry Dash get frequent updates and Geode stops working. So now you can play with mods. See you all later.